Kia ora whānau. Welcome to the first episode of Brothaz Of Tangaroa Catch and Cook. Didn't really bring too much home from the last harvest, but managed to bring a cray home, so I thought something that I really enjoy, especially on a Sunday after a big week of work and being out the coast, is a bit of seafood salad. So just sort of run you through how I do that. I actually got this recipe from my mum. Still haven't quite cracked how she does it, but you know, it's pretty much thereabouts. So a couple of spring onions, half a red onion, so a bit of crunch and a bit of a bite. Some garlic infused shrimp and prawns, whatever you want to call them. Bit of some coda tail and some surimi. And then yeah, these two sauces here. You can use any ones you want, but these are, this is the best flavour I reckon. So Best Foods mayo, and the New Zealand's favourites, and Eater 1000 Island sauce. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward from there. So obviously just chuck all the kai in. That curd in there. Quick mix up. And then yeah, I usually just put the red onions in just to give them a good mix up first. Bit of colour. And yeah, so it's everyone's own preference. You just put in whatever you want. I usually use, depending on how much seafood's in there, I usually use quite a bit of Best Foods, maybe half a jar. Start off like that, and then yeah, quite a bit of the sauce as well. So get that in there, and then it's just by taste after that. So. Good in the summertime, you know, when you don't feel like eating a hot meal. You whack one of these together pretty quick, and yeah, it's pretty funny, keeps you going. And in with the spring onion. Yeah, you get some in the supermarkets, and they just, not very nice. They don't really put too much effort into them and just slap it together, and I can't really stand them. But for something that takes, not even 10 minutes. There you go, whānau. Can add mussels too, whatever you want, but yeah. Cheers. In those times of need, I'm there indeed. Brothers say you don't even have to speak. For real, so I'll be there for you. You hold tight and I'll keep it true. You're in those times.